No, I haven't decided yet.
What's your favorite sport to watch live?
Basketball games always keep me on the edge of my seat.
My headache has gone.
You should rest for a while.
What time shall we leave?
In about 5 minutes.
How do you get to work?
I usually take the subway.
Have you seen him before?
Maybe, I am not sure.
Is it your first visit here too?
No, I've been here several times.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Would you care for a drink?
Just a glass of beer for me, please.
Have you ever tried ballroom dancing?
Yes, it's elegant and romantic.
How did you come here?
By taxi.
This is too small for me. Do you have a bigger one?
Yes, just a moment.
Approximately how much is your budget?
My budget is 1,000 yen.
I'm nervous about going to the dentist.
I understand the way you feel.
Thank you for cooking so much delicious food.
Eat everything.
Why are you so late?
I studied for my test tomorrow.
Our project failed.
Next time we should work better as a team.
Have you ever tried surfing?
No, I haven't tried surfing.
I arranged this bouquet of flowers.
How amazing.
How long have you had it?
More than a month.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love a crisp autumn day with colorful leaves.
How are you doing these days?
Not bad, same as usual.
Did you study English before you came to America?
I have learned a little.
Where's the door?
There it is.
What do you do on weekends?
Read, study, watch movies, have dinner, and chat with my friends.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in 11th grade.
Are you feeling better today?
Yes, much better, thank you for asking.
I want to ask you for help tomorrow.
No problem. What can I do for you?
Do you enjoy going to art galleries?
Yes, it's inspiring to see different artworks.
What's your favorite historical period?
The Renaissance era has always intrigued me.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to London last year.
Have you ever tried sushi making?
Yes, it's fun to get creative with sushi rolls.
It may rain tomorrow.
We do not play soccer in the rain.
Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai.
What kind of fruit did you buy?
Apple and strawberry.
I am almost finished with the difficult job.
Keep it up.
What's your favorite opera?
Carmen has always been a favorite of mine.
What's your favorite type of ice cream?
Mint chocolate chip is irresistible.
My wife is pregnant.
Congratulations.
She has been absent from school for 5 days.
Is she on vacation?
Can I smoke here?
No, you can't.
Do you need to take care of your parents?
My brother is with them for today.
How many scenic spots shall we visit today?
3.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
Brie, especially with a glass of wine.
How many days do you have for annual vacation?
About 1 week.
Could I see the room?
Sorry, all rooms are currently occupied.
Where is the toilet?
Please go straight and turn right.
Do you have some time?
No, I am busy today.
The furniture was bought online.
But is it good?
How many people can fit in your car?
7.
How much is the furniture?
More than 10,000.
What will you wear for the party?
I'll wear my blue dress.
They are not interested in saving money.
They buy a lot of expensive clothes.
Ask him where he parked his car.
I doubt he will remember either.
Do you enjoy going to fashion shows?
Yes, seeing the latest trends is exciting.
How do you know each other?
We met in an English training class.
How's the weather?
It's very hot.
I want to work abroad.
Where would you like to go?
Do you enjoy going to classical music concerts?
Absolutely, the symphonies transport me to another world.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
How could you forget such an important thing?
We have been very busy recently.
Have you ever tried kayaking?
Yes, navigating through calm waters is serene.
What do you plan to do this Friday?
I plan to go to the concert.
Do you want to sit down?
Yes, please. I am tired.
What's your favorite karaoke song?
Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen is a crowd pleaser.
Could I borrow your car?
Sure, as long as you promise to take care of it.
My parents approve of my job.
That's great to hear.
Do you know what time it is?
It's 3:40 p.m.
Were you busy yesterday?
I was very busy at work and at home.
This table is reserved.
Can we sit at the bar?
When and where were you born?
I was born in 1969 in Seattle.
What's your favorite dish from a foreign market?
Paella from the streets of Spain is unforgettable.
Is he taller than you?
No, he isn't taller than me.
What are your hobbies?
I like to cook.
May I see your ID, please?
Here is my passport.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What specialties does your hometown have?
There is chrysanthemum tea in my hometown.
It's your turn.
I'm not ready yet.
Can you come back that day?
Not sure, that depends.
Shall we go?
Okay, let's go.
Why did you go there?
I went there on business.
How delicious the fish is.
Yes, I want more.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What's your favorite ballet performance?
Swan Lake is a timeless classic.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
Do you like attending poetry slams?
Yes, it's inspiring to hear spoken word artists.
These clothes are for you.
I'm not tall like you, so your clothes may not fit me.
I need to take this call. Do you mind?
I don't mind.
Does it often snow in Shanghai?
I don't know, I'll ask my brother.
What's wrong with you?
I am feeling a little bit uncomfortable now. I want to go back.
May I see your ID, please?
Here it is.
Did you like the movie?
Yes, it was amazing.
Are you a cat person or a dog person?
Definitely a dog person. Cats are too aloof for me.
They are pretty.
I like those earrings too.
How much is the furniture?
More than 10,000.
How much is it?
200.
How long have you been working here?
Just started last month.
I'd like to see your sister.
She lives in Nebraska now.
What time is it?
It's 4:45.